Hi friends, welcome to English Funda Kolkata. Now I am going to discuss a beautiful motivational proverb. Today's motivational proverb is look before you. Its Bengali meaning is ভাবিয়া করিও কাজ করিয়া ভেবো না. This is a beautiful proverb and it plays a very vital role in our lives. There is a beautiful story about this proverb. The lady and her pet dog. One day, a lady kept her pet dog in the house, and the pet dog guarded his only child. When the lady returned home, she saw the pet dog bleeding on his mouth. She at once thought that the pet dog killed his child. Without thinking for a moment, he hurt the dog with a stick, and the dog instantly died. But when she came home and saw that her child was alive and there was a poisonous snake lying nearby, and this snake was killed by the pet dog. Then the lady became repentant, was sorry, regretted for his action, but already she killed the pet dog. So, with the story, I want to convey the message: before going to do any work, think for a while. Don't take any decision hastily, because any decision which you are going to take may cause your destruction or damage. So friend, I want to convey a message to you. Please don't take any decision hastily, and before going to do any work, think for a while about the effect of the action. Don't jump into the river not knowing how to swim. নদীতে ঝাঁপ দেওয়ার আগে সাঁতার কিভাবে কাটতে হয় সেটা জানতে হয়। সুতরাং if you don't know how to swim and jump into the river, you will die very soon. So likewise, before going to do any action, think for a while, take a firm decision, and then work it. It would be better for you, for your future. So, I think with this motivational proverb, it will help you something in your life. And if you like this video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel, English Funda Kolkata. Till then, goodbye. See you again on the next video. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone.